Hi guys, I just want to make a very quick video on how I usually prepare my train case when I want to go for work. And tomorrow I want to do a makeup for a big event in I'm preparing my train case now, so I want to show you guys what stuff that I usually bring with me for quite a big event and what's inside my train case. So this is my train case, and I got this train case from Jakarta. It's just a normal train case with a handle like this, so you can use it when you want to travel around. So this is the top part, and you can just open it and it looks like this. I'm going to show you just very quick what's inside. So here on top I have all my mascara, my pencil liners, and some of my lip liners, my favorite mascara from Maybelline, Colossal, the L'Oreal, and Bobbi Brown. And here I have just mixed stuff. I have my blotting papers, I have my tweezers, I have my NARS makeup remover, night remover, I have just sanitizer gel, I have my shimmerer lashes, my brow razors, the eyelash glue, little serums, and it's like an eye drops, must have. And then you open up, it will like this. Okay, in this part I have all my bronzers, I have some sponges, I have my sculpting powder from the Makeup Forever, my MAC bronzers, and my Bobbi Brown bronzer, my MAC blushes, foundation. In here I have some of my powders from Revlon, Makeup Forever, or the Bare Minerals powder, my blushes and powder from MAC. I have my Kiko bronzer, highlighters, and open this part, and here I have all my primers, eye cream. This is my Bobbi Brown concealer, my MAC concealer, the Maybelline Mousse concealer, my waterproof eyeliner. So it's lots of concealer and highlighters here, except for correctors. And here I have some of the eyeshadows, and my primer, my Urban Decay, and it's just my Makeup Forever. This is the eye makeup remover, my MAC pigment. It's nothing much here because most I keep them below. And you can pull this on, and here I have piece of my lipstick. So you can see, so my lipsticks and my lip gloss. I have my favorite Revlon nail polish here. This is my pack lip glosses. It's the Indonesian cosmetic. My LT Pro lip palette. Trying to open this up so you guys can see it. Gorgeous colors. Just random stick. My favorite lip pencils from Kiko is a waterproof lip liner. So tomorrow the main focus is I will do special kind of like a wedding makeup, traditional ceremony, the Indonesian ceremony. So I need to do like a waterproof makeup, so I bring just lots of waterproof products for tomorrow. And it's just a headband, my Crayon Supra color, another Crayon correctors and foundation together, just palette. I have my MAC sponges, it's the new one because I have to change it from time to time. It's just my wipes, it's a cheap one I just got from Carrefour, and another headband, my Crayon transparent powder, another hand sanitizer, just individual lashes, another foundation. This is from Viola. It's a great cream foundation. It's great coverage. Just love it. And as you guys can see, these are some of my palettes. This here, just keep all the lashes, my NARS, multiple orgasms, some more lashes, just eyeshadows. This is my mirror, and here I keep all my waterproof makeup products. So I have like it's a cream blush, the waterproof cream blush. I have all my MAC HD airbrush foundation in some colors. I have my Makeup Forever aqua cream eyeshadows, some of them, and the Kiko aqua eyeshadow as well. And this as well my airbrush colors from the Com Art, like orangey and pink color. So I keep most of my important waterproof and my airbrush products here for tomorrow. And the rest you guys can see here and below are my foundation. It's my back powder and highlighters. This is actually like together like this set, so you can have the pink powder, the purple, and the green one. I have my serum, Kiko. I have my favorite contouring cream foundation, Crayon TV Paint Stick. I have also just foundations. I have my Aster, my Bobbi Brown, all my MAC, sorry, my Revlon Color Stays, and it's my cleanser and tonic. Let's just put everything here. My Makeup Forever All Matte primer and my MAC Fix spray. It's kind of dirty. I think my powder is like drop here. Here have my LT Pro dual function. These are my compact powder from the LT Pro, and my LT Pro blushes. So these are the colors. This are my MAC palette. Yeah, my Coastal Sands Camouflage Concealer. So it's nothing very much because I don't really use all of them that I don't know, because I'm going to do makeup not only for one people but to some people, like in a group. So I simply bring more stuff. I'm going to have to bring my brushes, and this is my MAC brush belt. It's my MAC brush belt, and this is how it looks like in the inside. So these are the brushes that I usually use for my client and not for personal use. So some have the belt from MAC, but the brush is just a mixed kind of brush. I have some brushes from MAC. I have my MAC 187. I have my MAC 131, 17 blending brush. So this is basically it. Nothing much. So as you guys can see, this is all I'm going to bring with me tomorrow. And here at the back I have my bag, and inside here is where I keep all the styling products for the hairs. I have my coastal sands there, rollers, and my green irons. I have my foam gels, hair spray, and a heat protector, and curling creams. And this is my heat protectors, I think. Yeah, use Trisam. Trisam is my curling creams. I have my Coca-Cola. Bring this for me, just in case I will feel thirsty. I have my styling spray, and this is my favorite hairspray, L'Oreal. And I have some juices for me. And this is my magic box where I keep all my bobby pins. As you guys can see, this, my hair dryers, everything here, the rollers, so some hairpiece and wig. So that's basically it, all the stuff that I usually carry with me when I want to do wig makeup. And I hope you guys like this video, and talk to you guys more in the next video. Bye.